In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply opaque white on metallic labels correctly using Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new colour swatch. To do this, call up the Colour Control panel. Assign the displayed colour values in the list function. Then, select the option Create New Colour Swatch. Name the colour swatch HPI White. Change the colour type to spot colour. The spot colour you just created is now listed in the Colour Swatches panel. Now create the layers Print Layer, Opaque White and Die Cutter. The layers are for your convenience only and have no direct influence on the assignment of a colour. It is important that the opaque white elements are created over the other printing colours. Call up the Layer Control panel. To create more layers, click on Create New Layer. Change the layer name by double-clicking on the respective layer. Enter the name and confirm with OK. Now place the individual elements on the correct layer. Select the object with the selection tool. A small square is now displayed to the right of the layer. Drag it to the desired layer. Repeat these steps until all elements are placed on the correct layer. When printing on a metallic material, there are two reasons to create the colour opaque white, called HPI white. The first reason is to print white, non-metallic elements. The second reason, some coloured elements such as text or images should not be metallic. In this case, the opaque white is printed first and the coloured area above it. Let's create the white elements first. To do this, select the elements that should be printed white with the selection tool. Assign the spot colour HPI White from the Colour panel. Make sure that the elements are on the opaque white layer. The second step is to select the coloured elements that should not become metallic when printed with opaque white. To do this, select the elements that you would like to have printed non-metallic with the selection tool. Copy them with the key combination Command-C, or on Windows, Control-C. Select the opaque white layer and paste the copied elements to the original position on the opaque white layer with the key combination of Command-F, or on Windows, Control-F. Colorize the pasted elements with the HPI White spot colour on the Colour Panel Control panel. It is important that these elements are set to overprint, otherwise the colour underneath will not be printed. To do this, select the elements with the selection tool and set them to overprint area or overprint outline using the Attributes panel. Repeat these steps until all elements are created with opaque white. To check the settings, look at the colour separations using the Colour Separation preview.